Today, we dive into 5 of the most dangerous workplace incidents where routine tasks turn into chaos. These real-life cases show how fast control is lost and why every safety rule is a matter of life and death. Number 5. In a busy manufacturing plant, a worker reaches into a high-speed rolling machine to adjust material, and instantly his hand is caught and pulled into the rollers. Never reach into in-running knit points while a machine is operating. Always shut it down completely and follow proper load-out procedures before making any adjustment. When 2 rollers rotate toward each other, they create a powerful pinch zone, and the machine's torque and speed overpower human strength, leaving almost no reaction time once something is caught. Rollers do not know the difference between fabric and flesh, so guard knit points, keep distance, and never touch a moving machine, even for a second. Number 4. At a busy roadside service area, pedestrians pass by while a heavy truck sits tight against the curb, and a forklift tire suddenly bursts, sending a violent shockwave across the area. Never stand near an inflating heavy vehicle tire. Always keep proper distance, barriers, and controlled inflation procedures in place, because large tires store extreme energy as compressed air. Compressed air is stored force, so inflate heavy tires remotely. Clear the area completely and treat every inflation as a high-risk operation until pressure is fully controlled. Number 3. In a tight yard, a worker steps behind a parked trailer when suddenly a nearby unsecured truck begins to roll forward. Never allow anyone behind or between trailers unless all nearby vehicles are fully secured and movement is physically prevented, because even a slight slope, vibration, or brake failure can cause a truck to move, and once it starts rolling, its heavy mass builds momentum quickly, leaving almost no escape time. A worker trapped between a fixed trailer and a moving vehicle has very little chance to react. If it is not secured, it is not parked. Always set brakes, use wheel chocks, confirm neutral gear, and keep pedestrians out of trailer rear zones unless every vehicle is completely immobilized. Number 2. In a crowded loading yard, a wheel loader suddenly turns with its bucket raised and enters an occupied loader lane. Never stand or walk inside a wheel loader operating lane, especially near a truck being loaded, because once the bucket rises, the operator's front blind zone can completely hide a person at ground level, and raised buckets, boom arms, and the cab create massive blind spots when turning in tight spaces. The operator cannot see directly ahead or alongside the truck, yet the machine continues moving with full power. Treat loader lanes as restricted zones, use trained spotters, establish clear exclusion areas, and never assume the operator can see you when the bucket is elevated. Number 1. Inside a high-tech manufacturing facility, a normal metal extrusion process is running when a small vapor leak appears, and within moments, the workshop erupts into a massive fireball. Never ignore pressure buildup or fluid leaks in high-heat environments, because a pressurized failure near heat can turn into a fuel-air explosion in seconds. When high-pressure hydraulic fluid or gas escapes near molten metal or heating elements, it atomizes into a fine mist. And once that vapor cloud reaches its explosive limit and finds an ignition source, it ignites instantly, creating a powerful blast wave and rapid fire spread. A small leak can become a catastrophic explosion, so evacuate immediately, trigger emergency shutdowns from a safe distance, and treat every pressurized leak in hot zones as an extreme hazard. Don't forget to share what you learned today in the comments. Your insight could save a life. Take care.